and the butterfly characters. Hummingbird, butterfly. Look at that beautiful creature over there. I think I'll fly over and say hello. 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 What pretty wings you have. Are you a bird? No, I'm not a bird. What are you? I'm a butterfly. I'm a hummingbird. I have pretty wings just like you. Please come with me. We can fly together. You can be my friend. No, thank you, hummingbird. I do not want to go with you. I cannot be your friend. Why not? You want to make fun of me. You said that I was ugly. How can that be true? I've never seen you before. I've never talked to you before. So I've never have called you ugly. Besides, why I call you ugly? You are very, very pretty. You may not call me ugly now, but I was once a caterpillar. Then I did not have pretty wings. You made fun of me. You said I looked like an ugly furry worm. But I did not know that someday you'd be a butterfly. That's too bad. You see, even ugly creatures sometimes become beautiful. Goodbye, hummingbird. I'll find other friends. Why? It is important to be kind to others. It does not matter what they look like. You're right, butterfly. I'm sorry I was mean to you. I'm sorry I called you ugly. I'm glad you learned your lesson. Yes, from now on, I'll be kind to everyone. Then I'll fly with you. You can be my friend. We'll be good friends. We'll be kind to each other. We'll be kind to others too.